Hello guys, today we're gonna do two things simultaneously. I'm gonna show you again because sometimes maybe you have a problem and know in which direction you should unscrew the pedals. So it's really easy trick. So you're gonna need a 15 mil key. So when you set it on and you put some pressure and it starts kind of pedaling like this, it's the right direction to unscrew it. Because if you put a pressure on the top, you see nothing is gonna happen. It's the wrong way. So every time you hear clicking, it means it is the right direction to unscrew. So let's unscrew it. That's why you need to hold it tight. On the opposite side is the same trick to test. So if you hear the noise, it means it's the right direction. The second thing is today I want to change the Ultegra crank arm because I have a power meter on here, but I don't need both power meter. I have a Garmin pedals also with a power meter, so I don't need both of them. So how to do this? Also very easy. It's just a 1-minute job. For that you just need this simple tool. You put it in, and normally it shouldn't be screwed too tight, so you can unscrew it in the normal direction. So it should be undone very easy. If it's not easy, it's probably wrong. Next one, the set of Allen keys. That should be enough. It's loose right now. So I take this one because here is a safety mechanism, so you could pull it directly in between, and then you actually can undo it. So we are talking about this safety mechanism you need to pull up. This is Ultegra power meter with 4E on the crank. And now we're gonna put the old one back. So use some paper to clean it. Apply some grease. Put the other crank arm. You cannot put it the wrong way. It's actually always the right way. And then screw it back on. Do not go crazy. It should be tight. So there is no play in the crank arm. Like hand tight. And you feel nothing doesn't really move. And then you can tighten it back on. Put the nipple back. On the crank itself it says, should be somewhere here, put a torque wrench with 12 to 14 Newton meter. Fit it. it moves freely. And now we can put the pedal back on. Now when you're gonna apply the pressure, the crank is not spinning, so it's the right direction, and it should be like around about 30 Newton meter, so quite tight. That's it, guys. Have fun.